Join me as I dive deep into the wild world of AMC stocks and try to figure out if they're really about to soar or if bankruptcy is just around the corner. AMC stocks have been on a tear lately, surging to new heights and leaving many of us wondering if this is the real deal or just a fleeting moment of optimism. With bankruptcy concerns still looming, it's essential to take a closer look at what's driving this sudden rise and whether it's sustainable in the long run. AMC is facing a plethora of challenges that have been weighing on its stock for a while now. Firstly, the company's financial difficulties are no secret. It's been struggling to stay afloat, with massive debt and dwindling cash reserves. To make matters worse, the movie theater industry as a whole is facing intense competition from streaming services, which have forever changed the way we consume entertainment. If AMC can't find a way to adapt to this new landscape, it might just become the next casualty of the streaming wars. Another major issue plaguing AMC is its poor track record of executing on its plans. The company has a bad habit of overpromising and under-delivering, which has eroded investor confidence over the years. With so much uncertainty surrounding its ability to turn things around, it's a wonder the stock has been performing so well of late. But despite all these challenges, AMC is still standing, and that's largely due to its ability to stay one step ahead of its competitors. AMC has been working hard to revamp its business model, focusing on premium formats like IMAX and Dolby Cinema to drive revenue. It's also made significant strides in improving the overall moviegoing experience, with amenities like reclining seats and upgraded concessions. These efforts have clearly resonated with investors who are betting big on AMC's future. So what's behind AMC's recent stock surge? One major factor is the renewed interest from investors who are pouring money into the company in the hopes of catching a piece of the action. Another key driver is the changing consumer behavior post-pandemic, with people looking for new ways to get out of the house and experience entertainment in a social setting. AMC's strategic moves in the entertainment industry, such as its partnership with regulators to offer alternative formats, have also helped to drive growth. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some experts are warning that AMC's financial health is still far from stable and that the company's current stock price is largely disconnected from its underlying fundamentals. With so much uncertainty surrounding its future, it's difficult to say whether this surge is sustainable or just a flash in the pan. Recent developments have also shed some light on AMC's financial health, with the company's latest earnings report revealing some promising signs. While there's still much work to be done, it's clear that AMC is moving in the right direction, but with great risk comes great reward, and it's clear that investors are willing to take a chance on AMC's potential. In conclusion, the tension between AMC's surging stock and its financial instability is a fascinating dynamic that's got everyone in the financial world talking. While the company still faces many challenges ahead, it's clear that investors are betting big on its future. Whether that bet will pay off remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure, AMC is an exciting story that's far from over. What do you think about AMC's future? Do you think the stock will continue to soar, or are there stormy weather ahead? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis.